Okay, hello guys. So in this question, or in this video, I have a question that pertains to the remainder theorem. Let's go ahead and solve it. So it says f of x equals that, where a and b are constants. When f of x is divided by 2x minus 1, the remainder is minus 5. When f of x is divided by x plus 2, there is no remainder. Okay, so we want to find the values of a and b. Well, this one's quite a standard question, problem. It's a bit nested with some other stuff, but we can do it. So the fact that it's divided by 2x minus 1 and the remainder is minus 5 means that, well, first of all, we need to find out what this would be. I don't know why it jumped like that. What is going on? Man, technology sometimes. Okay. Anyway, let's check that this actually works. Okay, so if 2x minus 1 were equal to 0, that would mean that x would be equal to a half. So that tells us that we need to substitute x equals a half into our function. So we know that f of a half, and that should equal minus 5 because it says the remainder is minus 5. We also know that f of x, or f of a half, in this case is going to be 2 lots of a half cubed plus a lots of a half squared plus b lots of a half minus 6, which should equal minus 5. Okay. Then we simplify. So a half cubed is an eighth, times by 2 is 2/8, or a quarter. Half squared is a quarter, so that's a quarter a, plus a half b minus 6 equals minus 5. And I'm just going to tidy things up. So taking the numbers to the other side, I have everything with letters on the left. So a quarter a plus a half b equals, well, minus 5 plus 6 is 1, plus a quarter is 1 and 3/4, 1 and 1/4 even. No, my God. Ha! Minus 5 plus 6 is 1. And 1 take away a quarter is 3/4. Okay. Just want to say, bruh, mistakes can be made, and mistakes are painful. So I am trying my best not to make any mistakes. We won't make any mistakes. We'll manage. But just watch out for those. I'm going to tidy up by multiplying everything through by 4, because, I don't know, I'm not really a fan of fractions in this case. So if I times by 4, I get a plus 2b equals 3. Cool. All right. So that's that bit of the information that's used. Then, to use the rest of the information, I know that when f of x is divided by x plus 2, there is no remainder, i.e. the remainder is 0. So if x plus 2 were equal to 0, that would mean that x would equal minus 2. So it's minus 2 that I'm substituting in, so f of minus 2 should give me 0. And I also know that f of minus 2 is going to be 2 lots of minus 2 cubed plus a lots of minus 2 squared plus b lots of minus 2 minus 6, and that should give me 0. Okay, then I'm going to simplify this left-hand side. So minus 2 cubed is minus 8. Minus 8 times 2 is minus 16. Then plus 4a. Minus 2 squared is 4. Then minus 2b. Then minus 6 equals 0. Simplifying, taking the numbers to the other side, I get 4a minus 2b equals 22. I now have two equations. So my first equation is a plus 2b equals 3, coming from there. And then my second equation is this one here, 4a minus 2b equals 22. And of course, I want to solve those equations simultaneously. I'm going to do this by elimination. You can do it however you please. By adding the two equations, I get a plus 4a is 5a. 2b and minus 2b cancel. 3 plus 22 is 25. Then a is going to be equal to 5. Then, just change color. Okay, so now I'm going to substitute a equals 5 into 1. So I say that instead of writing a, I'm going to put 5. So 5 plus 2b equals 3, which means that 2b is equal to minus 2. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Please, guys, these mistakes can be painful. You do all this work and then you drop it. You drop all your marks, or most of your marks, because of one little slip up. Let's not slip. So b is equal to minus 2 divided by 2, which is minus 1. So I've got the a equals 5 and b equals minus 1. Okay, so that being said, I can now write f of x as 2x cubed. A was equal to 5 and b was equal to minus 1. Guys, I'm going to check because I do not want to be slipping up after having come this way. So plus 5x squared minus x minus 6. Let me just check one more time. My gosh. B was minus 1, A was 5. Okay. By the way, comment if this is you, if you're checking after every single thing. If you're that person that puts in 1 plus 1 into your calculator, you're my kind of person. Because I know you're checking. Okay, so then I want to factorize this completely. So I already know that actually x plus 2 is a factor because when it's divided by x plus 2, there is no remainder. That's the definition of a factor, right? Something that goes into something else without leaving a remainder. No remainder. 0 as your remainder. So I can rewrite this cubic as x plus 2 multiplied by some quadratic. I'm actually going to work this out though using algebraic long division. I just think it's a nice algorithmic way of doing it. There is the other way which might be a bit quicker, but I feel like because people, from my experience of working with people, I just think that people make more mistakes using the shorter way that requires more thinking. So let's go for the algorithmic way. So we're going to divide 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus x minus 6 by x plus 2. So let's change colors just because I like different colors. So x plus 2 here goes into 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus x minus 6. X into 2x cubed is 2x squared. Gonna multiply, and that's because 2x squared times x gives you 2x cubed. 2x squared multiplied by x, I'm gonna write it under here, 2x cubed. 2x squared times by 2 is plus 4x squared. And then I'm going to subtract. When I subtract, I get 0, because 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is 0. Here I get x cubed, x squared even. 5x squared take away 4x squared is x squared. Minus x minus 6. Then I have x into x squared, which is 1. X. Or just x. X multiplied by x is x squared. X multiplied by 2 is plus 2x. And I'm going to subtract. x squared take away x squared is 0. Minus x minus 2x is minus 3x, then minus 6. Then x into minus 3x is going to be minus 3. So minus 3 times x is minus 3x, and then minus 3 times 2 is minus 6. And then boom, 0. So we're good. Okay, so up to this stage, I've got that my quadratic is 2x squared plus x minus 3. So I can actually factorize my cubic partially to x plus 2 multiplied by 2x squared plus x minus 3. Well, that x was dirty, but that's an x. Okay, now I need to factorize 2x squared plus x minus 3. Okay, how are we going to factorize this, guys? Watch it, watch it, watch it. In fact, I'll see if I can find like the link to my video for that hack for factorizing these kinds of quadratics, because you guys are in for a treat. Right. To factorize 2x squared plus x minus 3, I'm going to show you that method. We do 2 times minus 3, which is minus 6. Then we need to find two numbers that multiply to give minus 6 and add to give 1. Well, that's going to be plus 3 and minus 2. We're not doing that whole splitting the middle. No. Let's be sophisticated. Come on, guys. So 2x plus 3 in one bracket, and 2x minus 2 in another bracket. Then we divide it all by 2. Again, I'll attach the link for my other video or in some way, shape or form. And then we can see that the right-hand side can be divided both by 2, both numbers. So that leaves me with 2x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 1. So my full factorization, guys, the bit that we're waiting for, yes, home run, is x plus 2, 2x plus 3, x minus 1. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That is 9 marks. Woo! We're done.